what is the mechanistic basis of shape and proportions? How does a piece of tissue know how big it should actually be? We study planarian flatworms simply because they are amazing animals. You can take one of these guys and cut it into tiny pieces as small as 5,000 cells, and each one of these pieces will regenerate back into a complete and perfectly proportioned miniature flatworm. We collect planarian species in the wild because not all worms are equal. So especially some planarians can regenerate, but interestingly, many out there cannot. And we set up now a large collection with about 70 species at the moment, still counting, which we will now use to systematically study why some worms can regenerate while others can't, and to hopefully ultimately get an answer why regeneration out there in the animal kingdom is actually the exception rather than the rule. Basically, whatever question you want to address, you will either have someone in the institute or on campus that's a deep expertise in whatever you want to do. So for example, this enables us to do genome sequencing together with the group of Gene Myers and the sequencing center at the CRTD next door. Or we have lots of collaborative projects with physicists and mathematicians. So we are a very international group with, at the moment, I think 8 nationalities. We are also a very diverse lab in terms of expertise. So for example, we have real field biologists in the lab, we have biochemists in the lab, we have physicists in the lab. We are generally a rather outdoorsy lab because of our field collection expeditions that we do on a frequent basis. But we also collect other things. So for example, mushrooms in autumn, or we try to sample the Christmas markets that are really beautiful in Dresden around Christmas time.
Cheers! Cheers!